The first thing that you're going to need to do if you want to reap the benefits of the Snapchat application is to get your brand onto the platform. This video will explain exactly what you need to do to create your Snapchat account and how to fill out your profile information correctly so that your Snapchat is ready to use and you can start getting followers and marketing your brand in new and interesting ways. Signing up. Obviously, the first thing that you're going to want to do is download the Snapchat application. You can add this app to either your Android or your iOS device. There's no support for Windows operating systems as of yet, or any of the lesser-known ones. Once you have Snapchat downloaded onto your phone or mobile device, launch it and you'll be taken to a screen where it will ask you to either sign in or sign up. You're going to sign up with the following information. Email address. You want to use an email address that you actually check. In fact, this may be a good time to use your main email address or the one for your business. Whatever you do, don't just make one up because you'll have to verify your account. The next thing that you'll enter is your password and your date of birth. Now, there aren't many restrictions with your password and you should have no problem entering one. Your date of birth is also easy using the date tool that comes with most mobile devices. The last thing that you'll enter is your phone number. You'll want to enter a valid mobile number because they're going to send you a verification code and you'll have to enter that into the app to use it fully. Verification code. They're going to send you the verification code, but you may not be able to enter it into the app without some help navigating to the right place. Since we're going to get into navigation later on and explain where everything is, for now, just know that the place you enter your verification code is under the gear icon that opens the settings menu. Snapchat doesn't have a place for you to fill out your profile like Twitter and Facebook and other social media platforms do. In fact, you can't even upload your logo from the app. The only thing that you can do if you want to customize your profile from the app is take a picture of either your face or a picture of your logo and customize it that way. The only problem with this method is that it doesn't look professional, and as Snapchat takes a series of 5 pictures quickly in a row to make an animated GIF, it's impossible to hold your hand steady enough to get a decent picture, even if you have a high-quality camera. For brands, this is just unacceptable. However, there is a way to get your profile photo to be your logo and insert it digitally so that it is as high quality as possible. We'll get into that bit later on.